Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to find the fourth of number 4. So now I will show you the step by step. The first thing we need to draw the diagram in here. So this one that is about origin. This one that is about y. This one that is about x. So on the question, the resultant of the force that is about 100 newtons. But this is along negative y-axis. This is about y-axis. So the negative that will go in here. So I will use the red color to highlight. And this is about 100 newtons. Now, the next one, we have three forces. The first one, we have 100 newtons at the angle 60 degrees. So, I will put this one go in here. So, this is about 100 newtons at the angle 60 degrees. So I will put about the force A. The next one, 200 newtons at the angle 140 degrees. So that should be go in here. So 140 degrees, that will go like this. And I will put about B. And the last one, 250 degrees, 250 newtons at 320 degrees. So they will go like this. So I need to expand this one. So in this one, they will go like this. And this is about 320 degrees. And we have 250 newtons. I will put about C. Now, for this one, we need to convert the force into F of x and F of y. Why? So let's say I will have two vectors in here. This is for F of y. And this is for F of x. So we need to convert one vector in here. So we need to convert one vector. Let's say I want to convert vector A into F of y 8 and F of x 8. So later that we can combine the value Fy and Fx so that we can find the force of number 4. So in this one, we have 60 degrees, we have 100 newtons. Now we want to find F of y, so I will highlight the color in here. I will select about blue or green, sorry. I'll select the green color, and this is about 60 degrees, and we have the right triangle in here. That is from this point, and this point. So in this one, we can use about sine and cosine to find f of y and f of x. So for 8, I will put about vector f8 s and vector f8 y. So for 8, we have 60 degrees. So we know that sine alpha, that is about opposite divided by hypotenuse. And cosine alpha, that is about adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So we have 60 degrees. We put 60 degrees in here. Hypotenuse, that is about 100 Newton. We want to find opposite. Opposite, that is about this one. And this is about f of y because this is about parallel in here. So about this one, we have 100 Newton. We multiply by sine of 60 degrees. And this one, 100 Newton. We multiply by cosine of 60 degrees. So we can find the value in here. So this one, you got 50. And this one, you got 50 with the square root of number 3. And we put about n and n. So now, for this one, I will put 2 vectors in here. The first one, that is about this one. And the second one, that is this one. So this is about f8s and f8y. Now we can go to the next one. So I will select about the blue color. So we need to find this angle in here. So we know that this one, that is about 180 degrees. So 180 degrees, we minus 140 degrees. You got about 40 degrees in here. Now we need to find FBY and FBS. So we do the same. So we can use about FBY, we use about sine. So we have 200 newtons multiplied by sine of 40 degrees. And this one, 200 newtons cosine of 40 degrees. So this one, we have 153.21 newtons. This one, we have 128.56 newton. So for the blue one, they will go like this. One vector, they will go in here. And one vector, they will go in here. So this is about f, b, y. And this is about f, b, s. And the last one, we need to use about this angle in here. So we have 320, one circle, that is about 360. We use 360 minus this one, we have 40 degrees. Now, from this point, we can use the same. So, we have sine of 40 degrees multiplied by 250. So, we can find about C in here. So we have cosine 40 degrees and 250 sine of 40 degrees. So we calculate this one and we got about 191.51 newtons. And the next one, that is about 160.70 newtons. So about this one, we go like this. And this one. Now, we need to find the resultant on x-axis. Of three vectors. So we can see that about FAS, FCS, they have the same direction, but FBS is on the opposite. So we need to sum two vector in here minus this vector in here. So that should be about 50 plus 191.51 minus about 153.21. So you got 88.3. Now the next one, we need to find the resultant on y-axis of three vectors. So we can see that FBY, FAY, they have the same direction, but FCY is the opposite. So we need to sum two vector in here minus this one. So we have FBY and FCY. FBY and FAY we sum together. So we have 50 with the square root of number 3 plus 128.56 minus 160.70. So this one you got 54.46 newtons. But the red one, we can see that this is about 100 newtons. That means about x-axis. When we put about 88.3 newtons, so the force of number 4, they will go in here. That's it for F. I will put about D, and that's it about F ds. They should go in here. So I will use about orange color. So why we need to should go this way? Because the sum of two vector in here is bigger than FBX, but on the resultant we don't have X. That means the orange, they will go on the left, so that they can cancel about x-axis. And now about the red one, we have 100 Newton, but the resultant of the three vector in here, they go in this way. So that means we want to get 100 Newton. We need to add about 100 plus 54.46 go in this way. So why we need to do this way? Because if we have this one, then we cancel about 54.46 go up over there. So later that the resultant at the end you got about 100. So 154.46 minus 54.46 go in here, you got 100. So this one FDY, that should be about 154.46. This one, that is about the opposite of this one. So we have F of dx, and this one should be about 88.3. Now we want to find the force of number 4. So after we got two colors in here, so we can apply the formula that is about Pythagorean theorem. So to answer about this one, we need to put about this value to the power of 2. Plus this value to the power of 2. You will got about 31,654.7816. Later that we put the square root and we got about f the fourth of d in here, that is about the square root of this one. And this one we have 177.92. So the orange, they will go like this. Now we want to find the angle, so we need to find this angle in here. So we apply the right triangle. So in this one, we can use about octane. So alpha in here, I will put about the alpha. So alpha, that should be about octane. That is about the opposite divided by adjacent. So the opposite, that is this number in here. So I will write in this one. Then we divide by adjacent, that is about 88.3. So in this one you got 60.24 degrees. So if we write the answer in this way, you will have like this. So from here to here we have 180 degrees. 180 plus this one, you got about 240 degrees. 2.24. And this is the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.